Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the owned items in the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. And here it usually opens up in the shopping menu where you can look at different kinds of styles and different kinds of fashion trends, different kinds of items. We have to find the little heart icon in the top of the screen. We have to tap on this, and then at the bottom of this list, we find owned items. If we tap on this, we can find the list of the items that we have ordered from this site so far. If we didn't order any yet, then this list is going to be empty, and there are going to be recommendations. And also we can just explore items. But if you've ordered from this site, you can just check the items that you have in your collection here. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.